I'm here showing Mr. Kyle how to write a hit.
Mm-hmm.
I'm giving him hit lessons.
Dave,
Yep.
there's one thing I've admired about you. Ability to churn out the hits. And you said to me one time, and I'll never forget this, I only write hits. And I thought, you know what? That's true.
Yeah, I ain't lying. Because you know what? The deep cuts don't keep the mansion
Running?
to keep the mansion running. That's the deal, you know? Here's the thing: is most white people dance to the lyrics. So here's what you got to do: is write some like heartfelt. Don't think about a groove. Think about it like it's a bumper sticker.
Okay.
You know, life's a bitch. Life's a bitch. Life's a bitch. Life's a bitch. Life's a bitch, but keep on trucking. Life's a bitch, but keep on trucking. So that's what you do. You got to pay off the chorus.
Yeah.
You start with the riff, because that's going to be the most recognizable part of the song, right?
Right.
And then,
But you don't
it's
say
the
it.
first. What? Maybe you don't say it. Maybe. That's a bitch. It always has been. I'm a guy who was a has-been, but now I'm a big star. Got a car, got a bumper sticker on the back. It says, "That's a bitch. That's a bitch. That's a bitch. That's a bitch." But keep on trucking. And then break down in the verse.
Yeah. And then
And you don't even need to like change the way the chords are. You just change what you
don't even.
say.
Yeah, you need that.
I'll tell you. You know who writes the hits? Aerosmith writes the hits. And you know how they do it?
They farm them out.
Well, here's the thing. Listen to any of those songs. It begins with the chorus. The song is all chorus. Love in an Elevator? What's the verse to that song? There isn't one. It's Love in an Elevator. Janie's got a gun?
Yeah.
It's all it. Well, how's it start? Janie's got a gun.
Yeah. Damn, you're right.
It's right. So it's chorus, chorus, pre-chorus, chorus, verse, kind of. Chorus, pre-chorus, chorus, 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 finale, chorus. It's all chorus. Don't bore us, get to the chorus.
Don't bore us. You get to the chorus.
Hit lessons.
You know what?
101.
We did it. We kicked it out with Dr. G. I've learned more in these 7 minutes than I have the entire weekend.
That's a bitch. That's a bitch.